Well, hi guys, good night. I'm Abigail. I'm Jamaican. I made some previous videos on like you inbox me and I give you advice and whatever you need. But now, lately, no one has been inboxing me, so I decided to do videos on how to speak Jamaican. Patois, yeah. I'm Jamaican, so I'm not one of those. I could speak Jamaican because I'm Jamaican. Yay, wagwan. Okay, we're gonna start off with the basics. Okay, here we go. To say hello to someone, you could say wagwan, wagwan. Repeat after me, wagwan. The next one is wa you depan. Wa you depan. You could also say wa you are deal with. You can also say what's up, same thing as English. To say bye, goodbye, you could say later on, yo, me soon forward, bye. Or you could say in the morrows, that means in the morning or later on. There's a lot of ways, there's a lot of slangs. You could also say what's your name, what you name. Repeat after me. It's what you name. Okay? Yeah. And to say where you from, where you from. What else? You could say what's for dinner, what for dinner. Some of the words are same in English. You could say I'm going to my bed, me I go on my bed. Or a lot of things. Alright, to say bye you could say later, or you see me, talk to you. If you want to know more, just inbox me. I'll make a video for you. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. I'll surely make another video. I'll keep on making them as long as you rate, comment and subscribe. Don't be afraid to inbox me. Thanks.